Hello, this is George Senda. Excuse me. The real, original, one and only official, authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh. And official, if I haven't said it already. Accept no cheesy substitutes, cheesy imposters on YouTube, or cheesy commentators. The only guy you should be watching is the real, the guy from Pittsburgh. All right, this is Burgh unboxing. I'm going to cut off the things. And this is a coat rack. And the reason I got this is I'm tired of having jackets on the floor, hats on the floor. Oh my God. So this is a coat rack I got from Amazon. It was way cheaper than things I'd looked at before. And there's 3 of the pieces. More pieces. A ball. A bunch of screws and stuff. The instructions. The stand. And the end of it. So that's what I got today. Among the other 2 items, it's not the scissors on the floor. The MacBook is effectively dead. So I will assemble this. As I figure out how. It's going to be too difficult to show you, given the cramped conditions I've got. But I will put this together and show you the final result in a little while. So that's it. Excuse me for today. I've been eating cat tongues and something's attacking me. I don't know why. Alright, this is a coat rack. So I'm very happy to have this. I can hang my scarf up, my hat, my jackets, my empty bags, and they won't be cluttering the floor up or chairs. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great afternoon, a great evening, a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. And I'm counting the days till this iPad finally will actually, truly, and really get sent off for repair. And then I'll go nuts for a couple days waiting for it to get back. I'm going to spend the $24.95 so it gets there in one day, and then have him fix it. And we'll start working on the other issues as I get the money. All right, this is going to be my project for the day. Have fun, people. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.